Okay, Bell's going to go in a few minutes. Hopefully we'll get through this. What we're having a look at here is how to find out new equations from transformations. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a look at this graph here. So I'm going to type this thing in. We've got x squared plus 4x plus 7. And I can see where the graph is there. Now, what I want to do is I want to, say, transform this graph so that the turning point here moves down to here. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look and see exactly what this value is here. So we can do that. We can either take this and complete the square, which we'll show you how to do again, or we can just go analyze graph, minimum, we choose our values, and we can see that the minimum happens at -2 and 3. So if that means I want it to come down, what do I have to do? Well, I've got to translate it down by 3. So what we do is we take this and we can say -3. We can see it's brought it down by that amount. If we go up, so I'm just pressing tab to bring up the thing. So then from there we can copy, so that, Control C, and I'm going to go to that, and I'm going to say Control V to paste it in, and now I'm going to press enter, and it gives me the new equation, tells me what it is. So that's my new equation. Now from there I can do lots of other things with it. I can say I can factorize it, and we have x plus 2 all squared. I can complete the square with respect to x, and it does it for me there as well. I can see where that equals 0. -2. I can, so there are different things that I can do. So starting with this is we originally had this graph. Oops, 7. We checked out, we wanted to bring it down to the x-axis. So we checked the turning point, we saw it as a -2 and 3. That means we have to bring it down by 3. So we got -3 because it's a vertical translation down, -3. Then we took this, copied it, selected it, copied it, made a new calculator, pasted it, pressed enter, we got our function here, and then from there we could factorize, complete the square, and do whatever else that we wanted with it. If, for example, we had our original function and we didn't want to graph it, that's what we had. We wanted to find a turning point. We would type that in, and there it tells us that our turning point happens at -2 and 3. So that's the way we go about changing a graph. So that is, let's have a look at what it says. New equations from transformations. That is, we've applied a transformation, we brought it down by 3, and then we found out a new equation from that using CAS.